Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Halloween school filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Snapchat, let me remove this first. Okay, the filter is gone. To get this filter on Snapchat, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat, and you will pop up in Snapchat, unlock for 24 hours, tap there. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.